For this video, I'm going to go to Azure, not Security Center, I was just going over that, but there's not really a need to go make a video about that because it's pretty simple. But for this one, I'm going to do Azure Sentinel. And first you got to create a workspace. Well, you got to add it to your workspace, so you create a new workspace. Pricing tier, I'm going to do pay as you go, because that's the only one. I'm going to create it. When it's ready, I'll come back. Okay, it's ready. Here it is. Click add. You're adding Sentinel to that workspace. We'll come back. Okay, it's ready, so we'll open it up. So let's configure Sentinel. Let's start with the data connector, and let's do Active Directory, and we're going to open the connector page. Let's do audit logs. So that's where we're going to connect those logs to Azure Sentinel, because Sentinel is security information and event management. So it's just like SIEM, SIEM, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's just a collection of all the different types of logs. So anyway, it applied the changes. So let's go back. And well, now let's go to Active Directory. And let's do some stuff so we can see some activities. So it's just making some new users. Maybe we'll just make one. It's good enough. Let's make another one real fast. So we did some stuff. Let's go to Sentinel. Open up workspace, data connectors. Azure Active Directory. And connector page. So it says we're still not connected. Let's go back. See if it's ready. Overview. So there should be some events of when we created those. So I'm gonna wait and come back. I just checked. It said it could take up to an hour for events. So hopefully it doesn't take an hour. I'll come back later. Alright, I'm not gonna wait an hour. I keep trying. It's not popping up, but if you go to Active Directory, you can see it has audit logs in it. So you can see what I've done here. Two added users. Anyway, let's go back to Sentinel. So let's just pretend that those two events showed up. So you could go to data connectors and go back to the one that's I'm supposed to be connected to, because it has audit logs. And if you do next steps afterwards, it gives you some recommended workbooks. So we'll do audit logs. And let's click this one. And let's view the template. So if the events popped up, they would show it here, and just it'd be like a nice graphical view of the operations that went down, but it's not here. Let's try one more time. Yep. Alright, so that's this Azure Sentinel.